first things you have to learn in order to speak Italian is, you guessed it, an introduction. Because how else are you going to get to know somebody? In today's video, I'm giving you a mini masterclass on how to introduce yourself in Italian so you can really start connecting with your friends, family, and Italian locals ASAP. Ciao, I'm Maria, and I help English speakers become conversational in Italian starting from complete scratch so they can go to Italy and really truly connect with Italian friends, family, and locals. Before we even get into introductions, I really want you to master pronunciation just so that way people can understand you when you try introducing yourself. I have a totally free pronunciation guide. It would be awesome if you downloaded that and practiced with it, and that way you could be totally confident when you do speak Italian. So let me introduce you to Anthony. He joined the Italian Toolkit after having gone to Italy, returning to the USA, and realized that he missed out on a lot of experiences. He had a lot of Italian friends in Sicily, but because he couldn't speak Italian, he felt like he was really missing out. And I'm sure a lot of us have felt isolated in those moments too, where we're sort of on the outside looking in just because we can't speak the language. If you felt this way particularly, let me know in the comments. But anyway, within a week of joining the Italian Toolkit program and working with me, he said this. So I had an opportunity to ask a few questions of a fellow Italian. A friend called and had an Italian citizen seeking to have someone sponsor her here in the US. She just completed her college degree here. She was warned that I was practicing on her. I greeted her with ciao. My questions were, come ti chiami? She responded with her name and piacere. I responded, il piacere è mio. I asked, come si scrive il tuo nome in inglese? And she provided me with the answer. Fortunately, she spoke fluent English, and I ended with grazie and ci vediamo, and she responded, prego. So not only did he go from feeling totally left out because he couldn't speak, but he sparked up a new conversation with a native speaker and started a new friendship. And that is how you start to make friends and be involved in the Italian community. This is exactly how I help people inside the Italian Toolkit because I really want you to be able to make those same connections and friendships. The first step Anthony took and all of my clients take is my free Italian lesson. I made it exclusive to English speakers who are new to learning Italian. It's really packed with a lot of value, so I know you'll love it. The link is in the description, and I can't wait for you to take that first step. So how exactly did Anthony get from feeling like an outsider to getting involved and making friends in Italian? The first thing he learned was the introductory phrases, greetings. The second thing we worked on was, of course, confidence, because that's a really big one. So why not go over some introductory phrases right now? As always, with all my lessons, repeat after me so you can get a feel for saying these phrases aloud yourself. Siete pronti? Andiamo. Ciao. Mi chiamo Maria. Hi, my name is Maria. Of course, if your name's Maria, that's great, but fill it in with your name, not mine. And then you can say e tu and you. Come ti chiami? Or more formally, come si chiama? Then you can say piacere. Or if you read this in a textbook, you might hear it as piacere di conoscerti. Or even conoscerla. But in real, everyday Italian, we just say piacere. If someone says piacere to you first, you can reply with il piacere è mio. Or you could just say piacere right back. So, pleasure to meet you, the pleasure is mine. Something you can ask to continue the conversation is, da dove vieni? Where are you from? Then the response would be, vengo da Roma. Or vengo dall'Italia. Vengo dalla Toscana. Or you could even say something like vengo da Austin or vengo da New York. Something else you can ask is parli italiano or parli inglese. Do you speak Italian? Do you speak English? I'll say it again. Parli italiano or parli inglese. Usually a follow-up to that one is to say that you're learning Italian. So for that, we could say sto imparando l'italiano. Sto imparando l'italiano. I'm learning Italian. A whole other question you could ask if you're curious about someone's life in Italy, you could say, Da quanto tempo vivi qui? How long have you lived here? And then of course, you could always just say, come stai, or come va? How are you? How's it going? Come stai? Come va? And then the response to that could be tutto a posto, or tutto bene, grazie, e tu, and you. If you want to say it's really nice to be somewhere, maybe it's at a restaurant or someone's house, you could say che bello essere qui. Che bello essere qui. It's great to be here. And maybe you did make a friend in Italian, which is so exciting. So for that, if you wanted to chat maybe a little bit more, ask them for a cup of coffee, you could say ti va un caffè? Ti va un caffè? And when you chat a little bit more, really get to know somebody, you could say, what brings you here, or what brings you to Rome? Cosa ti porta a Roma? Cosa ti porta a Milano? What brings you to Milan? What brings you to Rome? Have you used any of these phrases to introduce yourself or meet someone in Italy? If you did, let me know what worked for you in the comments. So all these phrases are really great. Definitely write them down in your little notebook or type them up, save them for later. But no matter how much you write this down, if you don't speak it, you'll never really get good at it. And that's why the strategies inside the Italian Toolkit program really do work, because my students are able to practice at home in their own space, speaking aloud. That way, when the time does come for them to go to Italy and introduce themselves to maybe an Italian family member or make an Italian friend, they know exactly what they're going to say and they're really confident in that moment. And then they share awesome updates like Anthony's and major wins. This is exactly how I applied the learning myself, and how students of mine, just like Anthony, have gone from feeling silent and sort of like an outcast to really making connections and friends. If you liked this mini lesson of phrases and strategies, then I really encourage you to check out my free lesson for beginners. We go through literally an entire 60 minutes of just pure value and no fluff, literally from pronunciation all the way to how to make mistakes and specific learning strategies. And I probably shouldn't share all of the strategies with you all, but they're really useful and I really want you to be able to make connections and love being in Italy. So if you've been feeling like you just want to get started and dive right in, and you also want those same results that Anthony had, then click the link in the description. My free lesson is waiting for you. If you enjoyed this mini lesson, please click the like button. It really helps get the content out to more people, and I would love to see this community grow. And don't forget to subscribe and click the little notification bell so you're always in the loop for new lessons. And hey, if this was a great first step and you really enjoyed this and you want to keep on learning right now with more mini lessons, you could check out my next one right here. Ci vediamo. Ciao!